Hello there and welcome to Lower 6th Further Maths A-Level Pure Core 1 past paper June 2015. Here we are working on question 7. This is an FP1 question from 2015. So the first thing here we have to do here is to find the possible values of k such that the matrix A is singular. For a singular matrix, the determinant must equal 0, and this can be vice versa as well. So the determinant of the matrix A is equal to 5k times k plus 1, take away minus 3, so plus 3, lots of 3k minus 1, equals 0. So this is going to be 5k squared plus 5k plus 9k minus 3 equals 0. So here we'll have 5k squared plus 14k minus 3 equals 0. And factorising this, we're going to get 5k, k over here, let's put a plus 3 here and a minus 1 here. Just check that minus k plus 15k, yeah, that's good. So k is either going to equal 1/5 or minus 3. Great. So moving on to the next part. B has a matrix 10, 5, minus 3, 3. The triangle T is transformed onto triangle T prime by the transformation represented by matrix B. The vertices of the triangle T prime are these coordinates here. The area of triangle T prime is 135 units squared. Find first of all the inverse of B. Right, okay, so first of all, we have to find the determinant. So the determinant here is going to be 30 take away minus 15, so that'll be 45. So it's going to be a 1 over 45. Swap the leading diagonal, 3 and 10. Negate the other two values, minus 5 and 3. And that's the inverse of B. Find the coordinate C of the vertices of T where, in terms of C, where necessary. So what we've got here, we've got some coordinates for T. We don't know what they are, but we've got some coordinates for T prime. They are 0, 0, minus 20 and 6, and 10c and 6c. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to work our way backwards to the coordinates for T, and in order to do that, if they've been transformed to get to T prime by the matrix B, then we need to do B minus 1 times these coordinates here to get the original coordinates. So what we need to do here is 1 over 45 times the... so first we need the transformation matrix inverse. This is B minus 1 we've got here. And then the coordinates going vertically. So 0, 0, minus 26, 10c, and 6c. So let's work this out, expand the brackets. 1 over 45 will remain at the start, and then the 0, 0 coordinate will still be at 0, 0. Linear transformations won't move the 0, 0 coordinate. Carrying on, minus 60 minus another 30, that would be minus 90. Minus 60 and 60, that will make a 0. And the last one is going to be 30c, take away 30c, that will give us a 0. And 30c, add 60c, that will give us 90c. So after we simplified this, we're going to get 0, 0, minus 2, 0, 0, 2c. Find the coordinates of T. So we'll write out those coordinates. 0, 0, minus 2, 0, and 0, 2c. Excellent. Find the value of C. Okay, so what we've got to use here is the idea that the scalar multiple of the area of our shapes is going to be equal to the determinant. So what we must have had on the area for t is 135 divided by the determinant. So if you look at the diagram in the top right, if we have transformed our coordinates by b, then we have times the area by the determinant of b. But if we're working backwards, then we need to divide our area by the determinant of b. So it's going to be 135 divided by the determinant for b. Let's just write down our workings. So 135 divided by 45, which will give us 3. So what we need to do is divide, so this area of the triangle here is going to be 3. So let's plot some coordinates. It will be -2, 0, 0, 0, and 2c. Let's assume it's up here. So this area here is going to be 3. So half of the base, which is 2, times the height, which is 2c, will equal the area of 3. So this is going to be, those two will cancel, 2c will equal 3, so 3 must equal 3 over 2. And that's the value of c here. So what we've used here is the theorem that when you transform a set of coordinates by a matrix, the area scale factor multiplier is the determinant of b, but we were working backwards, so we had to divide by the determinant of b. That's how we got the area of 3. Okay, in total that question was 12 marks.